City Division, headed by our school's Division Superintendent, Sir Isagani Solomon de la Cruz, SESU 5. Our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Mervyn Yap Sedlos, SESE. To our Chief in Curriculum, Ma'am Juliet Lastimosa. To our Chief SGOD, Sir Victorino A. Fuentes Jr. To our Education Program Supervisor, Ma'am Eileen Hamero. To our brilliant, my former keynote speaker, my former grade 6 learner of Jupiter, Dr. Agape Sherry D. Valera. To our SGC, Ma'am Isabelita Santiago. To Ma'am Marjorie. To our SPTA President, Sir Chester Escamilla, together with the rest of the officers. To the retired teachers, I know they are around here, together with Ma'am Bento and Ma'am Bagatella, and the rest, parang nakikita ko yung mga retired teachers. To our parents, and most especially to my dedicated, self-directed, committed, PASAS teachers, and to you, my grade 6 learners. Good morning at isang magandang Jansan po sa ating lahat. This year's commencement exercises is truly a joyful celebration of commitment, persistence, and success. It marks an important milestone for our young dreamers, as it symbolizes the culmination of years of effort, learning, and the start of another exciting experiences in reaching their ambitions. With this, PASAS maintains its quality education through our dedicated teaching and non-teaching personnel, with the active support of our dear parents, our SPTA, our SGC, our national and local government, and our generous community partners. Let us cherish this moment together as we look back on the journey that led us here. This time, let us witness the school report card of Pedro Acharon Senior Central Elementary School for the school year 2023-2024 through visual presentation.
Here's the school report card of Pedro Acharon Senior Central Elementary School that provides a snapshot of the school's accomplishments, projects and programs, and the involvement of its stakeholders for school year 2023 to 2024. School enrollment. The graph shows a decrease in school enrollment for the past 3 consecutive years. However, the school maintains 0 dropout. Literacy level. The result shows that 135 learners moved from non-reader level to frustration in English and 158 pupils in Filipino. School awards and recognition. PASAS got the second place most numbered National Learning Camp stakeholder support and outstanding National Learning Camp promotional teaser. Marivic S. Miranda, ranked 3 in the most outstanding principal 2023. Ma'am Charina B. Factoran, ranked 3 in the most outstanding master teacher 2023. also the third place most secure and safe building quarter, Esrami 2024, and most eco-friendly school, Esrami 2024. Christian Isaiah Lagnason, Esra gold medalist, swimming category, and Palarong Pambansa qualifier. Alexis de la Calzada and Andrea Claudette Haba. Coach Richie S. Feroy. Second place, Jessica Dance Sport 2024. Jorish Aringoy, silver medalist. Lawn tennis, Jessica 2024 and Israa qualifier. Louis Jr. L. Rucci. Coach Grace Vistal Aquino. Bronze medalist, Arnis Jessica 2024. Denise Santillanosa, Coach Federos Carion. Second place, 2023 Division Science and Technology Fair, Science Investigatory Project, Life Science Elementary Category. Jassy Isabella Gumbo. Coaches Cheryl Santos and Bilia Combatir. Second place, Quiz Bowl Student Leadership Summit 2023 and elected as Cluster Secretary and Division PIO. Jassy Isabella Gumbo. Hezekiah Rain Parkon, and Isaiah Gail Franco. Coach Philip Pablazon. Overall, fourth place, 2023 Division Science and Technology Fair, Science Investigatory Project, Life Science Elementary Category. Isaiah Gail A. Franco. Coach Cheryl Santos. Overall champion, GST Student Leadership Summit 2023, Team Category. Ivan Fritz Cosas. BSP Coordinator, Philip Pablazon, PASA's representative in the National Scouts Jamboree in Pasay City, Iloilo. PASA's recently conducted Saliksik Year 2, headed by Federos R. Carion. Improved reading part of PASA's. Support and active participation for these recipients, stakeholder support, and teachers as Purok enablers. And that's the end of the school report card of PASA's for school year 2023 to 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to extend my gratitude to my teaching force of Pedro Acharon Senior Central Elementary School. Please rise for acknowledgement. Thank you so much, my dear teachers, for being with me for the school year 2023-2024. Without you, I do nothing. To our SPTA and SGC, please rise. This time, bibigyan po sila ng masigabong palakpakan po para sa ating mga teachers and our SPTA and SGC. Once again, congratulations and thank you, PASA's family, teaching and non-teaching personnel, parents and learners. To God be the glory.
Let us all listen to the message of our Deputy Secretary and the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Sara Duterte Carpio, to be read by Ma'am Eileen A. Hamero, Education Program Supervisor for LRMS.
Good morning. Good morning. My courtesy and respect to the people in the presidential table, to our very active PTA officers, to our SGC officers, to the very dynamic, brilliant principal, a friend of mine, who claimed it ko, Ma'am Marilyn Miranda, to the dedicated, self-directed, as what your principal described, Pedro Acharo Teaching Force, to the parents, graduates, and of course to our keynote speaker, good morning. Good morning. Bakit parang ang seryoso-seryoso ninyo? This is the day that we need to celebrate. Please allow me to read to you or to deliver to you the message of our dear Vice President of the Philippines, no other than Sara Z. Duterte, at the same time our Secretary of Education. Nais kong ipaabot ang aking taos-pusong pagbati sa inyong lahat. Ang araw na ito ay patunay ng inyong pagsusumikap at aking ikinagagalak na makita kayong lahat na masaya at puno ng pangarap. Para sa mga kabataang magsisipagtapos, isang mahalagang hakbang ito sa pag-abot ng inyong mga pangarap. Ngunit, umpisa pa lamang ito ng malayo pa ninyong lalakbayin. Alam ko na ang kaalaman at aral na natutunan ninyo sa elementarya ay tiyak na magiging susi sa inyong tagumpay sa hinaharap. To the parents whose dedication has never wavered, I offer my sincere thanks and deepest admiration. Your children's transitions from elementary to junior high is a testament to your unending support and undying love. Let us uphold this spirit and ensure our homes remain pillar of the matatag educational ethos. To our teachers and staff, your tireless commitment has been the cornerstone of our students' journey. The guidance you provide is immeasurable. And for that, we are deeply grateful. You are the embodiment of Matatag's resilience and strength. Let us continue to join forces to equip our students for the challenges ahead. And to our civic leaders and educational allies,